Hello, this is Wongani Moyo from Innoray Medical Equipment Company, and today I'll be showing you how our binocular microscope works. So if you come close here, we have the terminator one. We have the light source here, just to show you how it beams the light from down here to the stage here. So when you are providing a sample, you bring the slide and you clip it with this thing here, clip, and it will hold in between here. And this is the adjustable focus. The magnifications, they have different types. This is the 4x4 magnifications. They all have different sizes. This is from the smallest is the largest. And then you just put your eyes in there to examine the specimens you put from down there in the slides. Yes. And then the adjusting here for focus, it can just be for the different types depending on what you are examining from inside. So this is just the basics of how the binocular microscope works. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope to see you here at our factory and support our business. Thank you.